Hey guys, okay, I'm back with another video, and hopefully in this video I won't be making so many spelling errors. Well, oh, there. Yeah, I did so many right now. Okay, who cares? Okay, let's start. Well, here it's a battle against another friend of mine in Facebook, and his name is Justin Van Siok. And well, don't know if I spelled his name right, but well, sorry Justin. Well, yeah, he brought a hail team, which was actually pretty good. That wall rain was really annoying. And well, here we go. He leads up with a bomb of snow. I knew he was gonna lead up with him, obviously. And I bring out Blissey, and I use Flamethrower. And it didn't kill it. Like, really. Flamethrower did not kill it. Blissey is that weak. But at least it took that brick break with its slow defenses like a boss. There goes Flamethrower. And you see, I think it was like 1 HP, 3 HP, I don't know. And it survived. So here I think I use Soft Boiled now to recover that lost HP. No, he uses Grass Whistle and hits. But then I come up with a plan right now. I think he was gonna use Brick Break, so I brought in Dustclops, thinking he was gonna use Brick Break, but no, he used Earthquake. But still didn't do that much. And so he hits me with Earthquake, and since he knows Natural Cure cures Blissey, he wasn't gonna be breaking the Sleep Claws. So I knew he was gonna use Grass Whistle again, and I bring out Magic Bounce Espeon. But Grass Whistle misses. Because after putting it to sleep, I was gonna send out Hariyama and set up with Bulk Up, but no, my plan failed, because Grass Whistle missed. So I switch again, send out Dustclops. I was thinking about using Will-O-Wisp, and I was like, the fuck, why use Will-O-Wisp? But he actually ended it in that same turn with Woodhammer. Like he said, the fuck, let me end a Bomb of Snow right now. And actually, during this battle, Pain Split actually annoyed him many times. He was cursing a bit, and it was actually pretty funny. I survived that Shadow Ball, get the special defense lowered, and I use Pain Split. I at least recover a bit of my HP back, and get him down to half. I switch out Dustclops and bring in Blissey again. I really didn't use Flamethrower or anything because I was scared of Destiny Bond. I really didn't want to get killed by Destiny Bond, so I didn't attack Frostlass like that. So Frostlass was like the last one to die because I predicted his Thunder Wave more later in the battle. Well, you guys will see. He uses Thunderbolt. I paralyzed him here, and that actually annoyed. And I use Soft Boil just to make sure I got full HP. After using Soft Boil, I switch. He sends out Bear Tick, which actually gets annoyed by Dustclops. Yeah, this was actually funny. He sets up with Bulk Up, but I lower his Bulk Up with Charm. Like really wasting his Bulk Up, because I was planning on finishing Bear Tick with Flamethrower, while Charm took care of his attack. There goes Bulk Up. and I use Charm, lowering the raised attack and also lowering it by another one, which actually makes him have to use Bulk Up one more time to have its attack normal, which actually gives me the break to switch. No, I don't switch right now. Yeah, he uses. Oh, I use Flamethrower and get Paraburn. I actually burn it, and that was pretty funny because this was a really hacksy battle. A lot of hacks. Yeah, and you see the burn. Yeah. And now I switch Blissey, which I send out Hariyama. Since it's burned, I knew his attacks won't do much. Since Hariyama isn't that bulky, its HP is the only thing high. So I use Bulk Up with Hariyama. I was hoping Bullet Punch would do a whole lot more to Wall Rain, but no, Wall Rain was a beast. It really took that Bullet Punch like a boss. I used Bulk Up 2 times only. And this is my last Bulk Up, since he faints to the burn now. And he sends out Wall Rain after. Yeah, that Wall Rain really annoyed me a whole lot. Look, Bullet Punch did nothing. You see, it took that Bullet Punch like a boss. And there it goes. I was actually hoping Blizzard would do a bit less, but no. I should have went with Force Palm instead of Bullet Punch in the first turn. But it wasn't that powerful, like really. 2 Bulk Ups wasn't enough. This Wall Rain was a pain in the ass to take down. But it still helped my Dusclops recover very well. So I gotta thank it on that. And Surf doesn't do much, and I use Pain Split. It recovers like all of my HP, not all, but a lot, and really helps me. Even though Wall Rain recovers all of his HP with the Ice Body ability and Leftovers. And you see, it was a really hacksy battle. Now he got freeze hacks. And I send out Blissey now to use Aromatherapy and keep Dusclops safe. So there goes Surf. Doesn't do much, but at least he didn't get another freeze hacks. Blissey was that lucky. I use aromatherapy to cure Dusclops, and I use soft boil to recover all of my HP. Yeah, this match was 33 turns. I hope the time gives me enough. Yeah, I think it will. Well, then there it goes. I recover all of my HP again, and he switches out Wall Rain for this Mamoswine, and I send out Dusclops, and this is where Dusclops helps me, even though Mamoswine didn't do that much damage anyways, but it was still helpful to burn it. You see, Stone Edge didn't do anything. Dusclops took those attacks like a boss. I say like a boss a lot. Yeah. He uses Earthquake, does nothing at all. Well, it did a lot, but Burn helped me even though. Yeah, I let Dusclops die with Mamoswine since I use Nightshade now. Since, yeah, Mamoswine and Dusclops die together. And there it goes. Yup, they go down together. And I send out Cinnamon, I love that name for her. And I use Rock Blast. He wasn't expecting Rock Blast to do that much, but still. Technician with Life Orb is much better than Skill Link, like really, it is. With Skill Link it doesn't take any damage, it's just stupid. Really, Cinccino's Skill Link is completely useless, Technician is much better. And he sends out Frostlass. Since I'm scared of Destiny Bond, I switch again to Sunshine, since I also thought he would use Thunder Wave. So Magic Bounce reflected that, giving me the chance to Shadow Ball him without being scared of Destiny Bond. Yep. And I take down Frostlass, and I think all he has left now is Wall Rain, which, thanks to Espeon, I took down easily with Grass Knot. Actually, I didn't take it down that easily, since it was with... Yeah, I used Grass Knot 2 times, and really helped. Really did help. And the fact that he didn't get a freeze hex here also helped. And I go for the Grass Knot again. And I take it. I almost killed it, but it survived. What a pain. He takes down Espeon. No, he does not. But Hail finishes off Espeon, which annoyed me even more. and I sent out type lotion, and I used Thunder Punch to finish it off. Well, that was the match, and well, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you thought about the battle. And well, yeah, thanks for watching.